Hello everyone. So everybody's been complaining about the stock brakes that the Dualtron comes with it. But I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this with some nose pliers and the Allen key, which the tool kit comes with it. So the Allen key, you guys gonna use it to tie in and loosen up the nut that the brake pad is holding the brake cable. So then this right here, the brake cable, you're gonna use your nose pliers to pull down to tighten up the brake cable. So let us begin. Cool. So I'm gonna use the nose plier, like I said, to hold down the brake cable. I'm gonna loosen it up, the brake pad right here, and I'm bringing it upwards. And you'll see I tighten it up half an inch up, and then I'll test the squeeze of the brake. It feels pretty good right there. Yeah, it's pretty tight right there. It feels pretty awesome.
Bro, I'm here to do the delivery, bro. You just harassing me. You just harassing me, bro.
Put it over here and then go back.
Bro, I don't need to do anything what you need to tell me. I already did your job.